In this video, you'll learn how to build a basic form using the Build from Scratch option. With this option, you will manually add fillable fields directly on top of your existing PDF form. In your GoCanvas account, from the left navigation bar, select Forms. In the upper right corner, click Create New, then choose Basic Form. On the next page, under Build from Scratch, click Upload PDF and select the PDF form from your computer. Once your PDF is uploaded, give your form a clear name so your team knows exactly what it's used for. Next, use the Add panel on the left to drag fillable fields onto your form. You can choose fields like checkbox, date, number, text, or signature. To add one, just click, hold, drag, and release the field where you want it to appear. Keep an eye on the field outline as you place it. If the outline extends beyond the edge of the form, it won't be added. Once placed, you can resize the field using the corner control points. When resizing, ensure that the fillable area does not overlap any underlying PDF text, because it will be covered by the user's input. While the field is selected, use the Field Settings panel on the right to update the label to match what the field is for, such as Customer Order Number. You can also change the field type, the format, make it required, set it to read only, or tweak its appearance. Below the Field Settings panel is the Typography panel, where you can change the font size, and color. The toolbar beneath the selected field also allows you to adjust the font, duplicate the field, or delete it. Each time you drop a field onto the PDF, GoCanvas automatically adds it to both the mobile and PDF outlines. The mobile outline determines the order in which mobile users see fillable fields on their devices. The order in which you add fields becomes the default, but you can always adjust the mobile outline later. Continue placing fields until every part of your form that requires data entry has a corresponding fillable field. Use the mobile outline to quickly review and adjust how fields appear on phones and tablets so the flow feels natural for mobile users. Reorder fields by clicking, holding, and dragging them into place. The mobile version of the form will be on one scrollable page. This page defaults to the name Page 1. You can edit this by clicking in any blank space in the form and using the Page panel to change the screen name. Once your fields are placed and configured, click Test at the top of the screen to preview the mobile experience and generate a sample submission. Review the PDF output to confirm everything looks right. Make any final tweaks to field positions, labels, or settings, then click Save and Publish to finish. Your mobile-optimized form and PDF are now ready to assign to your team.